It seems like NEO just can't get a break. It did go up to 765 before pulling back, closing at 740. And if we take a look at a 9 months daily chart, you can see this stock went to a high of $16 in a very short amount of time back in August before retracing back to its low of $7. And then just recently it did go to almost $10 before coming back down. I was afraid of this because whenever the RSI was over 60, it would pull back, but I did not expect it to pull back this much. I'm down quite a bit on NEO. Let's go ahead and take a look at the news here. It says what's going on with NEO stock. So it says NEO inked a new cooperation agreement with Anhui Province Energy Group and Anhui Transportation Holding Group to help build a shared energy storage, charging, and battery swap system. NEO also reportedly entered into a battery swap collaboration agreements with Jack and Shuri aimed at enhancing charging and battery swap infrastructure in Anhui. NEO recently unveiled its fourth generation battery swap stations at its NEO Day events. Ouch. So when the NEO Day event happened, it did rally. That's when it happened here back in December. And now we are down quite a bit. And if we take a look at these options, so I think I did this video on NEO last week saying that people are buying a lot of the 8 and 8.5 strike, and that if it doesn't move or continues to go down, these are going to be worthless. And it seems that the 750 are going to be worthless tomorrow. It's very hard for NEO to move. NEO needs a lot of catalysts, a lot of positive catalysts for the stock to move. You can see that it does consolidate for a long period of time before rallying. And I'm afraid that's what it's going to do. It's going to consolidate before either rallying to the upside or going to the downside, depending on the catalyst. And like I said, the stimulus boost didn't help at all. And if we take a look, I do have spreads that are down. I have calls that are down. I even bought 750 calls that are down. It was up this morning, but they're currently down. If we take a look at these calls, I got the June 9 strike calls that I have as well. And then the January 2026 15 calls are down. They were actually up at one point. And then 35 strike calls. These were up $1,000 when the stock was above $9. I did not take the profit because I didn't think it was going to go below $8. But now it has broken that strong support of $8 and we don't know where it's going to be. So just be very careful if you're buying weekly calls. See, let's go ahead and look at next week's 755,000 volume traded, 23,000 open interest in a 10 strike. Oof. Look at this. This is crazy. Open interest, 102,000. That's a lot of options that people are holding. The 10 strike calls. And look where the price is at, 0.01, 0.02. They're pretty much worth nothing. Look at the quote details here. These were once worth, let's see, 40 cents. This was just over 2 weeks ago. These were worth 40 cents. Now they're worth pennies. And then 2 months ago or 3 months ago, these were worth almost $1. And then, of course, back in August, these were worth $6. I hope people who bought these back in August have sold it at the highs. Oh, wow. Just very, very ugly when you're playing with these options, especially on stocks like NEO because it rarely moves. I just hope we do see some positive news, positive catalysts in the next few weeks, as we definitely need a push to the upside. Let me know in the comments, did you buy more NEO shares? Did you buy any options? And thanks for watching.